Do you want fix a error in Delta Force file to get the branch list? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step, okay, we are going to the your navigator, okay. I'm go to the Chrome, okay, and you go, okay, to the this link, okay, of playdeltaforce.com, okay, and in this page you go to the watch now, okay, here in the watch now, okay, and you redirect, okay, of Twitch drops of Delta Force, okay, and you the link the account Delta Force, okay, and the your Twitch, okay, okay, you go to the here, okay, and link, okay, the Delta Force, okay, and in your account, okay. Bye bye.